Once upon a time, I believed living like Christ meant always having the right answers. Life corrected that belief, gently but firmly. I learned that Christ-likeness is when I apologize instead of defending myself. I learned it is when I prayed instead of retaliating. I learned it is when I stay gentle in spaces that rewarded hardness. There were moments I failed and moments I returned. Slowly, without noticing, my heart softened. My need to be right faded. My desire to love deepened. That's when I understood. Christ does not ask us to imitate him from a distance. He invites us to be formed by him from within. Yes.